Hi everyone, this is a video about this trimmer called a Styleronme, and it's a supremacy blade. This is a copy of the model Kemei 1971 Pro, and they call these outliner a skeleton cordless trimmer, and this person advertised exactly the same Kemei 197 and sent me this one. Anyhow, it is not bad, but is a very poor quality of the Kemei 1971, and the price of this unit was under £21, and it came pretty quick within 1 week, and it wasn't bad. And at the back of this box there is not much that you can see, and it just says the lithium ion battery, that it has a Supreme Blade Pro lithium cordless trimmer, and the model number is D9 or T9, and somehow it comes with 1 year guarantee, and the battery capacity is 1200 milliamp hour, and you can charge it and fast charge it with USB type C, and is not bad. In the description it was saying that it can be charged for 2 hours, within 2 hours, and you can use this for 4 hours duration non-stop, but it remains to be seen. Anyhow, I get everything out of the box and I show you what it comes with. Okay, I got everything out of the box, and I have to say all of this was placed in here inside the box that you've seen already, and all of these bits, they've been in here, and there were no instruction manual or anything, just these. This is the cable type C, USB type C for charging. It looks thick, that and it looks like that is capable of 1 amp, and a cleaning brush, and then four limit combs. One is 1.5 millimeter, 3 millimeters, 6 millimeters, and 9 millimeters, and they are not really well made. It's just flimsy, and but it's good. It's a little bit better than nothing. And then this is the unit itself, and I have to say this is a little bit thicker than what was advertised, and this part, it looks like some sort of carbon fiber style, and this is the on or off, and this is the charging, and this is the blade that everyone is going for, this blade, and the T style, you can see that, but is really sharp at this end. And when you buy these, there are some pictures, images that they are doing that and showing that is not going to hurt you, but this is really easily, now when I'm doing this, I can see that is really sharp, and if you see, is sticking up a little bit, sticking out of this blade here a little bit, if you see. And they say is low noise and high power and so many other things, but let's see how it works. This is the base. I must say is not very good quality. There are scratches all over this part, as you see. The quality is not good, but the Kemei is really high quality, And this part, you see there are two shafts, they are coming out, but in Kemei there were some strip of metal coming from here and bending here, and I show you in the images of the product, but first let's hear it. And I must say the battery is full, and this is how it sounds like. And when you are charging it, this green light flashing, and when the charge is finished it's solid green, and when it's going low on battery, this light is going red to let you know that it's time to charge this unit. I'll show you the video, the images of advertised item, and this is it. Let me just go here or here. Maybe we can see that a strip of metal here. If you can see, there is no some shaft like here. Let me just put this back here, and at the back it looks like this, but in our case looks like this. Very disappointing. And here, if you look, these screws, they are much more flatter on the original Kemei, but on this one is protruded rather a lot. And the quality of Kemei, on those that they know, is really good, but this one is a lot to be desired. And look at this strip of metal that I mentioned, is like a suspension. It moves a little bit, but this one, because of these shafts, they are really solid. I don't know which one is better, but this is the actual item that I'm telling you was advertised, but I received this one. And that's really it. A little bit of charging here. It says about charging informations, and this one didn't come with oil container just to oil it to make it last longer. And the price, as I have mentioned, it was under £21, and if you order it now, you are going to receive it in 10th of June. And anyhow, this is getting too long, and you know, but I just wanted to share with you that there are loads of copies around and you should watch it. And in case that you want to carry this, I have these ordered from eBay. You can buy this and put every piece of this in here, ready to just take it with you. And this is just under £10, and it looks like, you know, carbon fiber, but it's not solid, but it's shaped like that. Anyhow, it's supposed to be a short video about this trimmer, T-blade style trimmer. If this blade wasn't as sharp as it is, maybe I would recommend this, but this, you are going to damage yourself with this one, and I do not recommend this item anyhow. Anyway, thanks for watching, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, And as always, have a great time and stay well.